today is my birthday. So we decided to come out and have a little bit of fun doing something different. So we came over to Hellerup and we're gonna go to the Experimentarium, which is a hands-on children museum, and check that out and see what it's like. But first we're gonna come into Espresso House, which is a chain here in Denmark that's a bit like Starbucks, but I think it's a lot better, and they've got really great coffee and snacks and all kinds of stuff. So come along. We just had our breakfast at Espresso House. It was great, and now we've walked across the street to the Experimentarium. We're about to go in. They have all kinds of fun hands-on exhibits to try out. They've got things like bubbles and Legos and moving videos and things like that. So let's go see what they've got.
Just to jump in for a second, I wanted to remind you to check out our video on how to use the subways and trains in Copenhagen so you can know how to get to Hellerup easily and what tickets to buy. Also, please subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Now let's get back to the museum. So we're up on the roof and we've just finished going through the whole museum, and I'll be honest, I'm worn out.
It was so much fun.
I'm also
like sweating. There's a whole part where you have to do like exercise in like a little group.
Oh my god, the hamster wheel.
Sweating.
That was a bit too much. But I have to say, we're here obviously during Corona times. They have taken so many precautions to keep it safe. They're only allowing so many people in at one time. There are hand sanitizing stations absolutely everywhere. There's hand washing places, so it's really safe and clean, and it's still a lot of fun. So you can still come here and have a good time. And where this is actually north of the city. We're in Hellerup. It's really easy to get here from Copenhagen Central Station. You just take the S-Tog to Hellerup Station and you can walk right over here, and it's right on the harbor. So when you get done, you can go by the harbor and have beautiful views, and it's just a great place to come. We've had a great day. It's been fun. So hope to see you in Hellerup. If you're ever here, come to the Experimentarium, and we'll see you next time. Bye.